Hello everyone, how are you today? In this video, I want to show you how to use funny sounds in your videos. Someone did ask me some time ago, how can I use funny sounds in my videos? So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. The first thing is to find the sound that you want to embed into the video that you created already. Okay, the sound might be in your phone, but if you don't have the sound, what you should do is to go download the sound that you want to use. Now let's head over to TikTok where we can get some of this funny sounds. Okay, once your TikTok opens, what you should do is you go to the search box and then search for the sound that you want. So I will be searching for funny sounds. I'll click in the search box, and over here I'm going to type in, I did search for this particular one, Jesus funny sound effect. So we're going to use the same sound effect. So just be creative, know the type of funny sound effect that you want to use. It can be any sound, but just know exactly what kind of sound that you want to use and put it in the search box. I will tap that one. All right, so the two sounds that you can see there, the two videos, are from Sabinus. Let's click the first one to see what that is. Okay, this is one of the popular sounds that people put in their videos. So once you get the sound that you want to use, you should download it. When you get the sound that you want to use, you should go to the share button, as you can see over there. Click on it to download. Okay, you now see this button, save video, which is over here, save video. So I'll click on that to save the video. Now that the video is saved, let's now go over to the InShot, which is your video editing app. So you can edit your video. Tap on the video. Now the new tab, this is the video. So I'll click on that and click OK. All right. So I want to play this video so you can see what it's like. All right, so this video is basically about the technology to help the disabled. Okay, so I will go over to start the video from the beginning. All right, now I can go ahead and import the funny sound we earlier downloaded. Okay, so over here, tap the audio there, tap the audio, tap the music, tap where you see extract audio from video. Now tap the sound that you earlier downloaded, which is a Sabinus sound. You would see extract audio. Now tap the check, which is the good mark there. Now once you tap that, it now loads the sound into your video editing app. Okay, so I'm going to play this video and you will see how it goes. Okay, you will see that the sound is quite high. You can decide to reduce the sound of the video and not the sound. Tap this particular video and reduce the volume. Okay, tap on it to reduce the volume, right? Then tap on that check or good. Okay, now let's play this video. Okay, you can see that the sound is almost ending here. Now you can further just go ahead and edit the sound however you want it. Perhaps there's a particular section you might want the sound to come forth. You can edit, cut off, or you can even duplicate. You would see here that this video is quite long, but the sound stopped at that point. So I can tap on the sound. Okay, now come to this point, scroll, and you will see there duplicate. You tap to duplicate. you would just go ahead, keep duplicating if you want the sound to play till the end of the video. Okay, you keep tapping duplicate until you get to that point. However, let's say you just want the sound to play in a particular section. All right, so tap the sound. You see that one that we duplicated, delete. Okay, now tap the sound. Let's just play again. Okay, let's assume that's where we want it to stop. So here I'll come here and tap the sound. You will see, let's look for split. That is the split. So I'll tap the split and then tap that section, delete it. So you'll notice that that sound is gone. So it's only going to play the section where I want the sound to be. So let's go back and play the video again. So that's what happens. You just pick the sound, the funny sound that you want, and position it the section of the video where you want it to play. All right, so that's the video. Once you finish editing, you come over here and tap that check. Okay, tap on it, and then you come up there. You come to this point and export your video. Okay, so if I tap that export, I will export the video and then it goes to my gallery. From there, I can upload it to the social medium. Okay, I hope this video helped you. Remember to click like button so people who want to see this video would see it. And if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please hit the subscribe button. Tell me the kind of video you want me to create again, and I will do just that. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.